What's going on YouTube? It is Chris here from Nup Effects, and let me just tell you guys that this one is a little bit different. So in this one, my wife and I decided to do our Christmas town for the holidays a little bit differently, and we found this 3D puzzle set at Costco. It's made by Wizarding World and Warner Brothers, and we found them at Costco for probably around $25 or $30, but it contains 5 puzzles. And I'm going to go show you guys how to make one. So let's just jump right in. Now, just real quick before we begin, I do have some tips that I want to give you guys about completing one of these puzzles. And the first tip I can give you is to grab something like an ice pick or an X-Acto blade of some type, or some kind of something that's really small and really pointy, so you can get out the little cutout parts inside of the pieces. And another thing is you want to follow this thing step by step. You don't want to null any of the pieces. You don't want to take them out of the punch card beforehand. You want to remove them as you go along, because the pieces are numbered, and some of the pieces are so small that they do not have their number written on the back of them. So if you take it out, make sure you know which number it is. I would suggest not taking it out at all until you need it. Alright, so with those little pointers, that's all I use is one of these, and then my fingers and some light, and that's everything you need to put these guys together. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. These things are really awesome. They've got a lot of detail in them for being such simplistic 3D models. I don't know if when 3D puzzles actually came out, they used actual puzzle piece cutters with 3 dimensions in them and stuff like that. But I mean, it's got an opening in the back so you can look in and see everything inside. The only thing my complaint is some of the characters are not really to scale. Like in this Gringotts Bank one, the Bellatrix that's supposed to stand out front is the same size as the goblins, and the goblins are almost as big as each level. The scale is a little bit off, but that doesn't bother me too much. It's going to be decoration for the holidays whenever it's going to be sitting by our mantle to have a Christmas town. So we're going to be having Diagon Alley in the wintertime with snow all around it. Once again, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit that thumbs up. There are links down in the description below that help support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.